continuation of types of capital markets. Okay, then in last class we studied about primary markets. Today we can study about secondary market. Okay, secondary market is the market for the sale and purchase of previously issued or second hand securities. Means previously issued securities. In primary market we studied newly issued securities. In secondary market, previously issued securities or second hand securities are selling. That market we are calling as secondary market. Okay, then secondary market is a form of capital market where stocks and securities which have been previously issued are bought and sold. Okay, means previously issued securities are sold in this market. Okay, then secondary market is there. Capital market we can divide into two: secondary market and primary market. Okay, next one, features of secondary market. It creates liquidity. First point, it creates liquidity. Liquidity means a lot of transactions are coming, then automatically money transaction is coming, then it creates liquidity. It comes after primary market. Another feature, okay, after primary market only, we know after first selling only second selling will come, then it comes after primary market. It has a particular place and it boosts new investment. These are the main features of secondary market. Okay, then next one is benefits of secondary market. What are the benefits of secondary market? Then benefits are, first important benefit, the investors can recover their investment to a certain extent provided their economic status undergoes a change. Okay, means investors can recover their investment to a certain extent. Okay, that is the first point. Second point, in such cases investors may refrain from making long term investment. Second benefit, it leads to long term investment. Third one, investors can get large interest by invest for a long period. Okay, for a longer period they can get large interest. That is the another. Then third point is investors can get large interest by invest for a longer period. They can invest for a longer period. Okay, then next one, activities in the secondary market. Okay, first one, trading of, okay, then activities in the secondary market. First one, trading of securities. Second one, risk management. Third one, clearing and settlement of trades. And fourth one, delivery of securities and funds. Okay, then now capital market in India. We know capital market in India we can divide it as government securities, industrial securities and development financial securities and financial intermediaries. Okay, we can divide it as financial intermediaries, government securities, industrial market, security market. These are the capital market main classification. Then development financial institution, we know new issues market is there, then old issue market is there. Then financial intermediaries, we know IFCI is there, like merchant banks are there, mutual funds are there, leasing companies are there, development in financial institution, IFCI, ICICI, SFC and IDBI, IIBI, like that banks are coming under the financial institutions. Then in capital market, different types of capital markets are there. First one is stock market. Stock market is a type of capital market which deals with the issuance of trading of shares and stocks at a certain price. Okay, stock market means is a type of capital market which deals with issuance of securities. Okay, means trading of shares and stocks at a certain price. That one is stock market. Another type is bond market. Bond market is a form of capital market where buyers and sellers involved in the trading of bonds. Okay, in bond market, main product is bonds. Okay, next one, commodity market. A market which facilitates the sales and purchase of raw goods is called a commodity market. Okay, a commodity market, like any other market, includes a buyer and seller. In such a market, buyer purchases raw products like rice, wheat, grain, cattle and so on from the seller and at a mutually agreed rate. That one is commodity market. Then stock market is a type of capital market which deals with the issuance of trading of shares. Bond market means trading of bonds. Commodity market, like commodity like wheat, jam, grain, like that items they are selling and buying. Next one, money market. As the name suggests, money market involves individuals who deals with lending and borrowing of money. In money market, lending and borrowing for a short period of time. Okay, next one is future market. What is future market? Future market is a type of financial market which deals with it deals with the trading financial instruments at a specific rate where the delivery takes place in future. Means it is a financial market which the trading of financial instruments at a specific rate where in the delivery take place. Means where is the delivery take place in the future, that one we are calling as financial market. Okay, next one, derivative markets. The market which deals with the trading of contracts which are derived from any other asset is called derivative market. The market which deals with the trading contracts which are derived from any other asset, means from other assets these buying and sellings are derived, and that one where they are dealing, that market is called as derivative market. Okay, future market already we studied. It is a type of financial market which deals with the trading of financial instrument at specific rate wherein the delivery take place in future. Next one, insurance market. Insurance market deals with the trading of insurance products, insurance companies with the trading of insurance product. Okay, where the company pay the certain amount if family members, any owner or policy owner died, means they will give some claim. That one is insurance market. Okay, next one is foreign exchange market. Foreign exchange market is a globally operating market dealing in the sale and purchase of foreign currencies. Okay, foreign exchange market means in that market it is a globally operating market. In that market, sale and purchase of foreign currencies. We know our country currency rate is different if we are comparing with another country like America or Japan. We know different country have different currency rate. Okay, that one we are calling as foreign exchange rate. Okay, private market. Private market is a form of market where the transaction of financial products take place between two parties directly. In private market, financial product take place between two parties directly. They are selling, means privately they are selling their product. That one we are calling as private market. Okay, next one is mortgage market, a type of market where various financial organizations are involved in providing loans to individuals on various residential commercial properties for a specific duration is called mortgage market. Okay, then mortgage market means financial organization providing loans to individuals on various residential and commercial properties. Okay, they will give loan, means like a home loan or property loan, like that. They will give property documents and people will take the loan. That type of loan we are calling as mortgage loan. Okay, individuals on various residential or commercial properties, they will take for a specific period of time. Okay, the payment is made to individual concerned on submitting certain necessary document and fulfilling certain basic criteria. We know if we need to take a loan, we should complete some criteria, like all these documents should be there. We need to submit all these documents and they will check all these documents, and we need to fulfill that criteria, then only we will get that loan. Okay, that one is mortgage market. Okay, in that mortgage market, financial organizations are providing loans to individual on various residential and commercial properties for a specific duration. Sometimes it will be for 5 years, or home loan or car loan, like that loans are there. It will be for 5 years, 7 years or 10 years. Okay, like that, for specific period of time they will take that documents and they will provide loan. This organization will provide loans. This type of market we are calling it as mortgage market. Okay, then different types of markets are there: insurance market, future market, commodity market, bond market, stock market, like that. Different types of capital markets are there. Okay, then in today's class we studied about types of capital market. Mainly capital market we can divide into two, which are that one: primary market and secondary market. Okay, capital market is for long term and money market is for short term. Okay, then in capital market, corporate securities are, security markets are there, government security markets are there, long term loan markets are there. These are coming under the capital market. Okay, then in money market, unorganized market is there, organized market is there. In unorganized market, money lenders are there, chit funds are there, indigenous banks are there. Okay, in organized market, treasury bills, commercial papers, then call money market, certificate of deposit, like that. Some markets are there, that one coming under the organized market. Okay, these are the main classification of financial market. Okay, then mainly financial market we can divide into two: capital market and money market.